Hi, students, let's get started with the subject English, Beehive, Poem 1.1 The Road Not Taken. This well-known poem is about making choices and the choices that shape us. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply, but insightfully, about common, ordinary experiences. First line, two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Meaning, the poet finds himself in a forest during autumn, yellow wood, where the path splits into two. Next line, and sorry, I could not travel both. Meaning, the poet feels regret that he cannot take both roads at the same time. Next line, and be one traveler, long I stood. Meaning, it means the poet, being just one traveler, stood for a long time thinking which road to take. Next line, and looked down one as far as I could. Meaning, the poet tried to look as far as possible down one road to see where it might lead. Next line, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Meaning, the road curved and disappeared into the thick bushes, so the poet could not see beyond it. Next line, then took the other, just as fair. Meaning, the poet chose the other road, which seemed equally attractive and appealing. Next line, and having perhaps the better claim. Meaning, the second road seemed to be a better choice, giving the poet more reason to take it. Next line, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Meaning, it means the road looked less used and covered with grass, as if fewer people had walked on it. Next line, though as for that the passing there. Meaning, however, when people walked on both roads, they actually seemed about the same. Next line, had worn them really about the same. Meaning, both roads were equally worn by travelers, with no major difference between them. Next line, and both that morning equally lay. Meaning, that morning both roads looked the same, with no clear difference between them. Next line, in leaves no step had trodden black. Meaning, the fallen leaves on both roads were fresh, and no one had stepped on them yet. Next line, or, I kept the first for another day. Meaning, the poet decided to leave the first road for another time, though he knew he might never return to it. Next line, yet knowing how way leads on to way. Meaning, it means the poet realized that one choice in life often leads to another, making it unlikely he would ever come back to take the first road. Next line, I doubted if I should ever come back. Meaning, the poet doubted he would ever return to travel the first road once he had gone down the second. Next line, I shall be telling this with a sigh. Meaning, the poet imagines that in the future he will look back on this choice with a sigh, showing mixed feelings of nostalgia or reflection. Next line, somewhere ages and ages hence. Meaning, many years later in the future, the poet will recall this moment of choice. Next line, two roads diverged in a wood, and I. Meaning, it means the poet faced two different paths in life, and he himself had to make the choice between them. Next line, I took the one less traveled by. Meaning, the poet chose the road that fewer people had taken, a less common or unconventional choice. Next line, and that has made all the difference. Meaning, the poet's choice of the less traveled road shaped his life and experiences, creating a significant impact on his journey. Robert Frost. Thanks for watching.